So you're having problems with your radiator heating up. It's absolutely stone cold. But when you feel the pipework, it's red hot. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly why this is happening. See, there's a few reasons why your radiator is not getting hot. But the first one you want to check, and it's the easiest one to do, is check your TRV. So this will be sitting on top of it, a bit like so. Now, all these heads are designed to come off. And inside of it, there is a little pin just there. Now, what happens with these sometimes is that they get stuck in the off position and they need just a little tap on top with a little hammer or a spanner or something like that. You just give it a little tap, or you can get some pliers or grips that you can actually attach onto the actual pin and lift it up and down. And this mostly will rectify a cold radiator. As soon as you do that, you'll start to feel the radiator start getting hot, and you know that you've sorted that issue out. So the first one is to always check the radiator, thermostatic radiator valve pin first. So if you've done that and the radiator still isn't getting hot, now you want to check the other side. Now this is called a lock shield. It's got a little cap on top which you can pull off, and it has a brass valve on top. Now with some pliers you can undo this and unwind it or close it. 9 times out of 10 these are normally open, but sometimes someone might have come in and shut them off over time and you forgot that you'd done it. So always check the other side and make sure that the lock shield on the other side of the radiator is fully open. Now if you've tried both of these and you're still getting no joy, still getting no heat through the radiator, the next thing you want to do is actually bleed the radiator with one of these bleed keys. They literally go straight into the top of the radiators, goes in there like that, and you can open them up and close it. And if you've got water coming out the valve, then you know that they're fully bled. Now, the only other reason why this could be causing an issue is that you've got a blockage or there's sludge in the system. Now, if there's sludge in the system, there's not a lot else you can do other than calling a professional out to come and do a power flush or a magnet cleanse on the whole system. So just to recap, the first thing you want to do is check your TRV pin on top to make sure that it hasn't been stuck down. The second thing is obviously check your lock shield on the other side and make sure that it's fully open or open at least. And third is check that you've bled the rad, that there's no air in the system that could be causing the radiator not getting hot. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.